wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Big silver bells all seem to say, throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold. Big joyful ring, all caroling, one seems to hear words of good cheer. Herald the news to the light, dreaming of a white Christmas. With every Christmas card I write. Weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful, and simply no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping, and I've brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low, way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Our hearts be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. He's finally kissed goodnight. Now he's going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be home. The fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still dividing. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. La la la, harmony, oh harmony. Let's all join in harmony and sing with joy each bird. Christmas bells ring, Christmas bells ring, 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 ring. We won't go until we get them. We won't go until we get them. We won't go until we get them. So bring some out here.